Are you looking to start a YouTube channel and hoping to grow it as quickly as possible, as big as you possibly can, and you're shy or maybe you're a beginner? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply build the YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers in just 3 short months as a brand new beginner, brand new person to YouTube, and someone with just no experience and have no idea what you're doing or how to do it. Well, what's up everybody? My name is Mercedes Gomez and this is the Mercedes Gomez Now channel with 1,000 subscribers. I couldn't thank you guys all enough for subscribing to my channel, for supporting it, for watching all my videos. It has been a wild ride and I have had nothing but great feedback from the beginning. Now, I can't believe we're just 3 months into this. We're at 1,000 subscribers and we're so close to being a monetized channel. Now, I know most of you are here because of the Amazon Influencer Program and all the tips, tricks, and just information that I provide regarding that program. Well, since you guys are already recording review videos and since you guys are, getting comfortable in front of the camera, a next step for you might very well be YouTube. And I just so happened to take a leap of faith and do both the Amazon Influencer Program and start a YouTube channel at the same time. So this is definitely something that you can do or something that you can start doing now. Now, when I started this channel, I never thought about the subscribers. I never thought about the watch hours. I just simply picked up the camera and started making videos. Now, one of the biggest inspirations behind my whole YouTube channel and, going down this route was Joshua Mayo. Joshua Mayo is a huge YouTuber that so many people know about, and I really like the way he speaks and his presence on camera. So when I shot my first video, I had in the back of my mind like the thought that I wanted to be like him. Well, my number one tip for you guys is to be yourself and not try to be like anybody else. I sat down and I had wrote this script with a bunch of big words and I wanted to sound like Joshua Mayo and I wanted to be as intelligent as him on camera and look and be so professional just like him. And what I quickly found out was the best thing to do was throw all of that stuff out the window and be myself. Now, when I say that, I'm telling you this from my heart. I do not write any scripts. I just give myself some bullet points and I just sit here and I talk. Me saying bye on the outro, me introducing myself in the beginning is all just me and things that I've picked up along the way. None of this was planned, none of this was scripted. I just sit here in front of the camera with nobody around and I speak from my heart. This is one of my biggest tips because it's something that you don't think about. People want to light a candle like Joshua Mayo. People want to write scripts and sound just like Joshua Mayo. Or, an influencer or YouTuber that they like. But in actuality, the best thing to do is be yourself. And that's what people are going to like about you. Now, I have had so many really great comments. People who say I'm so, authentic. I give them so much good information. I teach them very well. And those are the things that have come just out of me being myself and being natural. I wouldn't be so natural in front of the camera if I came every single day with a script and in the back of my mind trying to be somebody that I'm not. And that was Joshua Mayo. Now, I really hope you take that and you run with it. Now, when I say that, a lot of people are self-conscious. They don't like how they look. They don't like how they sound. They don't like, maybe they have an accent, or maybe they don't use big words in their sentences. Well, let me tell you that that's okay. People are not watching Joshua Mayo because he uses big words. They are not watching Joshua Mayo because he doesn't have an accent. Everybody talks different, everybody looks different, and so just throw all that stuff out the window and just sit down and record your first video. You will be so happy and so proud of yourself once you do it, and no matter how good that first video is, you're always going to look back on it and think that it's cringe. I promise you. Now, another one of my techniques to my whole YouTube channel has really been my thumbnails. I've gotten so much really great feedback and a lot of people are really interested in how well they look and how well my overall YouTube page just, attracts people just because of the thumbnails. Well, I simply didn't do a whole lot of thumbnail research. I don't know a whole lot about what works, what doesn't work, but I was a graphic designer for a few years. What I use to make my thumbnails is Adobe Illustrator. I simply, at the end of my YouTube video, I will just make a clip and I'll just kind of freeze, and just make, like all these different kind of faces. And then when I'm editing, I will see, or I'll pause it and see, what freeze frame I like. And then I screenshot that, and that's what I use for my thumbnail. Now, I'll normally clip myself out, I'll mask myself out, and then I'll find some cool background to go behind it and add like a little glow effect and a real catchy thumbnail text on the thumbnail. And then I just make sure it looks bright, and that's what I use. Now, if you would like me to go in full detail and show you my entire thumbnail process, then make sure you comment down below, and I got you, and I'll make you a video. But just to talk about it real quickly, that's the simple steps that I do for my thumbnail, but thumbnails are super important. And another big tip that I have for you guys for this whole YouTube thing is come up with the thumbnail, or what you vision as the thumbnail first, before you come up with your script, your bullet points, and what you're gonna say. So for example, when you're coming up with a video idea, it's really good to picture what you want your thumbnail to look like, and then that can help you script your video and your whole idea. Some people do it in reverse, where they create a whole video, they speak whatever they were going to speak in the video, and then they go do the thumbnail. Well, I feel like the thumbnail part works better, because the thumbnail is what's going to catch people's attention and have them click on the video. So if you can think of this creative thumbnail that you're going to use as the cover of your video, then it helps just to make that whole video a little bit more seamless, and then you have this really nice thumbnail that's going to go on with it, that's going to grab people's attention to make them watch the video. Now, some other things that I use for my whole YouTube channel is ChatGPT. Now, a big tip I have for you is to utilize AI. Use these things because it helps the process go a lot quicker, and there's just some things that you shouldn't spend too much time on. Yes, you want to spend a lot of time on your quality of video and maybe your thumbnail, but when it comes to the description of your YouTube video, there are some key things you want to add, and you want to make sure it's SEO friendly, but spending a lot of time typing out sentences and making it, as good as you can be wasteful if you don't utilize things like ChatGPT. Now, when I use ChatGPT, I simply just go and type in SEO friendly YouTube title about blank, or SEO friendly YouTube video description for a video titled blank. And when you do that, ChatGPT will help you out and auto-generate a really good title or description for you. And then another little quick tip that I have already mentioned is, for me, it doesn't work to write a script. For me, it works to write down a couple key bullet points, and then I speak on those bullet points, elaborate more on those bullet points, and I give myself time to just talk about it freely, where I'm not having to think back, what was that I wrote exactly? How do I say that exactly? Or stopping in between every couple words to make sure I'm reading my script correctly. So if you're somebody that can use a script, by all means, go for it. But if you're somebody like me who just can't remember word for word what they wrote down, or maybe it bothers you if you don't say it word for word, then I would just throw the script out the window and just go from the heart, go off the dome, and just use bullet points. Now, one of the probably other really big important things when starting a YouTube channel is the niche. A niche is really important, and to me, it's what really helped me grow to 1,000 subscribers as quick as I did as a brand new YouTuber. Now, what I did was I just narrowed down and went in on a specific niche as small as possible. And that niche, as you may know, is the Amazon Influencer Program. This is a program that doesn't have a whole lot of competition here on YouTube. There's not a whole lot of content, But I can always grow my niche and speak about other things that relate to finance, that relate to side hustles, that relate to, making your own money, making money from home. I can elaborate and expand into all of these things as my channel grows. But in the very beginning, I focused down as narrow as I could because that's where you're going to get the most success. It's also a whole lot easier to come up with topics or video ideas when you're super zoomed in. When you're talking about all of these different topics, it's going to be really, really hard to keep coming up with different ideas and keeping your audience engaged. My channel, specifically on the Amazon Influencer Program, is attracting people who are specifically interested in the Amazon Influencer Program, and that's helping my channel grow. If I'm talking about too many different things, subscribers are going to be confused why they are coming to your channel. Are they coming for, the Amazon Influencer Program? Or are they coming for working from home, starting a business? What are they exactly coming here for? And in the beginning, as a beginner, you want to make it very easy, very narrow for subscribers to understand what your channel is about and why they should subscribe. Now, this doesn't mean, like I said, you can definitely expand into other areas later, but in the very beginning, why? My suggestion would be to get to 1,000 subscribers, get monetized in your little niche, and then expand. Being monetized is so exciting, is a really cool milestone to hit, and a lot of people think that it's impossible. But I am here to tell you, nothing is impossible. Anything you want to do, you can achieve it. And let me be proof of that. I started this YouTube channel mid-February, and here we are, mid-May, and I'm already at 1,000 subscribers and about 700 watch hours away from being monetized. This is something that I never thought was possible. I didn't think I was gonna make it. I didn't think that anybody would watch my videos, and I didn't think people were gonna like me. But when I threw all of this stuff out the window, threw out the thought that nobody was gonna like me, that I'm not like Joshua Mayo, that I can't make it, once I threw all that stuff out the window and really focused in on the fact that I wanted to do this, look at where I'm at. I know I'm not at 100,000 subscribers, 1 million subscribers. I'm not anywhere big. I know that. But if I keep doing this every single week and I stay consistent with my content, who knows where I'm gonna be? And who knows where you would be if you just start. So whatever that idea is that you have in your head, I hope that this video can encourage you to take action and to do it, because I did, and it has been the best thing that I have ever done. So I hope that you start, I hope you do your YouTube channel, and I hope in 3 months or less, you are also at 1,000 subscribers. Now, the very last tip that I have for you in this whole YouTube journey is if you're somebody who's a little bit more scared or shy, and you don't want your family and your friends to judge you, you don't want your family and your friends to see what you're doing, don't tell them. That has been one of the best things that I really did, because it helped me not worry about who was watching me, who was judging me, who in my family or friend group knew that I was doing this, and it allowed me to give myself the option, like if I wasn't going to pursue it or if I'm not good at it, I can stop and I don't have any pressure from anybody, like outside forces, right? So I told myself I was not going to share this page with anybody until I got to 1,000 subscribers. And also, it's not your family, it's not your friends, and it's not like your work or close friend group that's gonna get you to 1,000 subscribers. I'm sorry, even some of the most popular people out there probably don't have 1,000 member family or 1,000 member friend group. And then even think about 100,000 and 1 million. You have to attract strangers, complete strangers, and have them like your content, like your videos if you think of growing. You're not going to be able to have your mom, dad, aunt, uncle, cousin, sister, brother get you to 100,000 subscribers. And that's just the simple truth. So you don't have to share it with anybody. Keep it private if that's going to help you, and just grow it. And once you get to a spot where you're comfortable and you know you can stay consistent, then go ahead and share it. Also, some people might talk you out of it. So why tell anybody else? Don't get anybody else involved. Just do what you want to do, what you truly want to do. If it's YouTube, start your channel and see where it goes. So those are some of the tips that helped me get to 1,000 subscribers as a beginner. I did have one channel before this where I did family vacation vlogs, but nothing crazy. I really do think this is the first channel I started, and as soon as I stayed consistent and as soon as I got like a little routine going, this was something that I knew had potential and I knew I could grow and scale it. So I'm just somebody who did a lot of research, that has a background in design, and owns a small Sony camera. And with those 3 things, I've been able to scale this YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm going to keep going. So if I can do it, I definitely know you can do it. Just throw everything out the window and make your first video. So I hope this video was able to help you, motivate you, and get you excited to possibly start your YouTube channel. But I know the real reason that you are here. You are here because I have reached 1,000 subscribers and you want to win this $100 Amazon gift card. Well, you are in the right place, you are on the right video, because as soon as this video drops until Wednesday night, you can enter the giveaway for a $100 Amazon gift card. The rules are simple. Please make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram at Mercedes Gomez Now. I'll link it down below in the description. And once you do those 2 things, comment 1,000 on this video, and that's all you need to do to be entered into this giveaway. On Thursday, I will announce a winner. I will do like a spin the wheel type of thing, and I will announce the winner for the $100 gift card. All I'll need is your email address, and I'll simply email it over to you, and you should have it within a couple of minutes to be able to purchase more items so that you can start reviewing them. Good luck to everybody. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this channel, and I hope you're ready to hit the next milestone and the next one and the next one. And I'm so excited to see your YouTube channel as well. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And if you're starting a new YouTube channel, drop it down below. If you're interested in anything that I've talked about in this video and you would like me to go more in depth, also comment that down below and let me know. And then make sure you enter the giveaway, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, you follow me on Instagram, and you comment 1,000 down in the comments below as well. And if you do all of those things, then you could possibly win a $100 Amazon gift card. So you guys be safe, stay creating, make your YouTube channel, and good luck on your Amazon influencer program, and good luck in the giveaway. I'll see you very soon. Bye!